In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, I will just open YouTube on my computer. As you can see, I have white mode on my YouTube. I want to enable dark mode. So for that, I will simply minimize this tab and right click on my desktop. We need to go to personalize, then click on colors. Here we need to change our default app mode as dark. We need to enable it from here. Now if I go to YouTube, you can see my YouTube is still in white mode, so I just need to change one setting from here. For that we need to click on our profile icon just like so, and here we need to change our appearance. You can see it is set as light theme. We need to change it to dark theme, or we can change it to use device theme. We can use this or this. I will simply make it dark theme, and there you go. I have successfully turned on dark mode on my YouTube. This is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.